let's imagine for a second you start installing vinyl floor, and then you hit the heating. So you got a nice pipe, or is it 180 degrees, and now you have to go all around. And how you do that? But I have a device will do that too. Or how about if you need to produce 90 degrees angle, right? And you have to mark it. Never is perfect. And like me, I don't have the professionals. I just like to do my own thing in my house. Handyman. But I got the device for you. This will simplify your life. This is a counter gauge. We got the 5 and 10 inch, and I show you right over here how the whole thing works. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from MEDIABOXENT, and yes, woodwork, vinyl floor, and much more. So I show you what we get right over here. So let's see what we get. Remember, 10 inches, 5 inch counter gauge. So I'm ready just to do my own floor after this. Let's go first with the 10 gauge. All right, so here's the device. Here we have centimeters, and here we have the inches. So the way to do it, we're gonna do inches, so we're gonna go this way, and that's fine. So we set it here flat. Now let's imagine for a second, that's my pipes right there. So we're gonna press this down. We're gonna move this and slide this and to hit the wall, right? That will be the wall right there. And now we're gonna lock it this way. We're gonna lock it this way. So now what you can do is grab your tile. So this machine here, we have the tile. Mark around here, and now you can produce the perfect cut in your tile. So we're gonna make this again flat. Now this is the biggest pipe. Can be, this is for the sewer pipe. So we go this way, and that's it. So now lock this up, grab your tile, whatever you need, or the piece of wood you gotta cut, or you just go around, mark it, then you got your saw, you cut around. Now how about if you got something that is 90 degrees? What we can use for the 90 degrees? Let's use my phone as an example. Again, we're gonna unlock this. We're gonna go in a corner. Then we're gonna go like this. Make sure this is unlocked. And now we mark it here, and we go this way. We lock it. And now if you have to cut, you would. But if you gotta do the corner, right? I will say this is the one to use. It only has one lock because it's much smaller. So whatever you set, if you need centimeters, you have a centimeter. If you just need it to make this flat. And once again, now with this, that's the whole idea. You're gonna produce the perfect cut. Once again, if you like to do your own thing at home, maybe you don't have the professional tools like those guys that can do a perfect cut. It's kind of a good way to cheat, right? And have the same professional level as the professional without being a professional. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.